What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And this video is going to be on a little story time video that also goes over why so many people fail at making money online. So if you like videos that teach you how to make money, get your mindset right, make money online, and everything in between, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. So let's jump right into this here. So this guy hit me up, and this was, back in the day or whatnot. And he was like, hey, does the contextual link go on the landing page? And it took me like 9 days to get back to this dude, because obviously I was busy or whatnot. And obviously I told him the answer or whatnot, and the answer was in the course as well. But, after I told him the answer, I was like, hey, dude, you could have just went to Google and just did some research. It took like 30 seconds to find this answer. It wouldn't have been hard at all. Even if you had watched an entire YouTube video reviewing the network, like it would only take you max like 10 minutes, nowhere near 9 days. You could have already been up and running, had your campaigns going and everything, if you had just simply did a few minutes of research. And he replied with the most ignorant response ever. Like, I don't even remember if I replied to this because it was just so ignorant that I'm pretty sure I didn't reply because it was just so ignorant that I just couldn't reply. I just didn't know what to say. And this dude was like, why would I do research when I paid you $25 for this course? And I was just sitting there like, really? Like, and it was just so ignorant because this is your business. You aren't doing a course owner a favor when you buy their course. I'll go out and spend $50,000 to make a done for you campaign, getting all this data, and then give it away for $500. Who won there? You spent $500 for $50,000 worth of data. Who's winning? Definitely ain't me. All right. The only people who win or you should feel entitled when you buy a course from are people who don't make money who don't make money from what they teach in the course. And you'll know if someone makes money from what they teach or not, because people who don't make money from what they teach, they're always going to be trying to sell you that course. Always. If it's like a 3-minute video, they're probably gonna be in that video like 30 times. Make sure you get the course. Oh, this was in the course. Don't forget this is in the course. Grab the course below, get the course right out the gate. Course through the video. Course at the end of the video. Course all day long. In every video, they're trying to sell that goddamn course. Odds are they don't make any fucking money. Let's just keep it serious. Let's just keep it $1.50. They don't make any money. All right. Now, people who actually make money from what they teach, they're not going to be on your beck and call. They're not going to be in your inbox every Friday. They're not going to give a damn if you buy a course or not, because it's your business. If you buy the course, it doesn't affect my business. It doesn't affect the course owner's business that makes money from what they teach anyway. It does not affect them whatsoever what you decide to do to grow your business. It's your business. The course is here to help you, not to help me. I've already done everything in the course, obviously. I spent hours upon hours of my time uploading these videos. I spent hours upon hours of my time, going through developers and all that stuff, getting them to put up the websites, make sure everything was great, everything's golden. Like all of this time from the last 4 years, all of that documented and all my trials and error put in a nice little package so you don't have to make the same mistakes. So that way you know exactly what I did to make the amount of money that I have now. So that way you can duplicate the process and hopefully be able to do the exact same thing. You get everything from the last 4 years for a few $100s. And somehow, you feel entitled. Like you are doing me a favor. You're doing that course owner a favor. No, you're not doing us any favors. You're doing yourself a favor. This is your business. All right. So yeah, guys, that was just crazy right there. Cause and a lot of people feel that way, and they shouldn't feel that way. Like they feel like the course owner or something, like they're doing them a favor. This is your business, not my business. It's like if I have the cure to cancer, if I had cancer, I found out the cure, I took it myself, I got rid of my cancer, and then you're like, oh, well, I'm not going to buy the cure that you have. Who does that affect? It doesn't hurt me. You're the one who still has cancer. You're going to be the person that's still broke. It doesn't affect me and all the other people who, figured out the cure to cancer. You guys should get the metaphor that, the cure to brokenness or whatnot. But you guys get what I'm saying. If you have that mindset, you need to get rid of it ASAP, because you are never going to be successful with that mindset. Like that person I was just talking about, I looked at the profile the other day and they're still working at Walmart. Like the shit is wild. Get rid of that mindset if that's what you have, because you are never going to be successful with that mindset. All right. And that's pretty much it, guys. You know, obviously I can go over 1,000,001 different things, like lack of research, which we touched based on, you know, not doing anything, worrying about things that don't matter. So I guess I can touch base on that real quick. Stop worrying about what other people think. All right. If you worry about what other people think, you're going to end up like most people, which is broke. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Like legit. So that's like almost 8 out of 10 people you run into damn near are broke. Think about that. 8 out of 10 people you run into are going to be broke, depending on which area you go to and where you're at, obviously, for the statistic people out there. But you guys get what I'm saying. Stop worrying about what other people think. If they don't pay your bills, fuck them. I know that sounds heartless, but I mean, that's what it's really going to take. Stop worrying about what other people think. Like, just straight up, stop caring. Stop asking your parents for advice if you should get started in making money online. Stop asking your friends. That's just fucking stupid. It makes no sense whatsoever to do that. You're asking someone who has no experience in this field if they should get started or if it is or isn't a scam. How stupid is that when they don't even know? They've never done this before. Why are you asking them? If you cut off your arm, are you going to say, call my mom, call my mom? No, you say, call a goddamn doctor. Why? Because a doctor is qualified to work on you. If your mom isn't a doctor, you're not going to be like, hey, call my mom. You would call a goddamn ambulance. Call a doctor. Call the police. The police. I can barely fucking talk today. But you guys see what I'm saying. All right? Stop worrying about what other people think. Stop worrying about course reviews. Stop worrying about how much other people make, because that shit don't matter either. This person can be making $1 million. That don't mean you're going to make $1 million. So that don't matter. Course reviews don't matter. Now, obviously, I'm not saying that course reviews don't have a higher conversion rate. Obviously, they will. But I'm saying for the person who's buying the course, it means absolutely nothing. Don't mean a goddamn thing. Because the people who say the course is going to be the best thing since cake and ice cream are going to be people who are going to be successful with or without the course. Hands down. The people who said it was garbage, it didn't work, and it was trash, and all this extra stupid negative shit, they were going to be a failure, and they weren't going to make any money regardless. So the people who said it was the best thing since cake and ice cream, and the people who said it was going to be garbage were going to be a failure. This person was going to be a failure anyway, and this person was going to make it anyway. So why does it matter? It doesn't matter whatsoever. It depends 100% on how much effort you put into it. That simple. All right. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Oh, one more. Not willing to sacrifice. So it is Saturday night right now. A lot of people are out smoking, they're out drinking, they're partying, they're out doing all this extra, stuff that they want to do. All right. I almost slipped up and said it was stupid, but I'm not going to judge anybody for what they decide to do or whatnot. If your goal is to make an extra $10,000 a month and you're not hitting that goal right now, then you shouldn't be out partying. You shouldn't be out spending money on things that don't matter. Like, you got to sacrifice. It's just that simple. Stop trying to look rich. You shouldn't have, if you're making like $3,000 a month, $2,000 a month, you should not have a refrigerator that costs $3,000. You should not have a car that costs $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. You should not have a refrigerator, a washer and dryer that costs like $3,000. You shouldn't have a furniture set that costs $5,000. Stop living above your goddamn means. If you want to be successful, you have to sacrifice. There are going to be nights you don't go to sleep. There are going to be times where you're just tired as hell. You just got off work, from doing a 12-hour shift, and now you got to work for yourself. But that's how it's got to be sometimes. If you want to have a lifestyle that 80% of Americans don't have, you're gonna have to do what the other 80% aren't doing. 80% of Americans, they're working paycheck, or 78%, I should say, are working paycheck to paycheck. If you don't want to work paycheck to paycheck, you have to stop doing what these other people are doing. All these people, they got the iPhone 11. They got cars they, fucking can't afford. They have Gucci clothes. They got a $500 Gucci wallet and don't have $5 in it. How fucking dumb is that? $100 pair of shoes, but you don't have $100 in the bank. So many people want to look like they have money. And they need to stop that. But Obviously, this isn't, towards those people or saying anything negative towards those people or whatnot. In my opinion, that's what, if you're a regular everyday person, that's shit you're supposed to do. You're brainwashed to do that shit. And just keep it above 50. If you're someone striving to be an entrepreneur, you want to be successful, you want to, live a lifestyle that other people can't live, you want to have your time freedom, you want your house, paid off, you want your car paid off. If you want all this stuff, you have to do what other people are not doing. You have to start doing what the people who already have the things you want are doing. That's simple. All right. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. I know it was a little rough in this video, but you'll thank me when your bank account is in the positive and you aren't having to worry about getting overdraft fees and, worrying about when, if you're going to have enough money for daycare, or worrying if you're going to have enough money for rent, or worrying about if you're going to have money for this or that, or this bill or that bill or whatever. If you apply this stuff to your mindset, I'm telling you guys, you will see results. Start putting in work. Put 40 hours into your online business. Start buying courses. Start educating yourself. Treat your business like an actual business. If you can work 40 hours a week for someone else, making them rich, you should have no problem working 2 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, whatever, for yourself a week. That simple. But again, I'm really about to end it there. If you made it all the way to the end, be sure to leave a 1, 2, 3 at the end of this one. I know this was like a stupid long video, but I just like to see who really makes it to the end of the videos or whatnot, especially in a video like this, because this is one of those rip the band-aid off type of videos, and people like the truth with a lot of goddamn sugar, so a lot of people will not make it to the end of the video. But yeah, just leave a 1, 2, 3 down below, whatever your comment is or whatnot, and yeah, you guys know the drill. Like and subscribe.